Welcome to World of Kingdom. We are in Barcelona, staying in the hotel ME Barcelona, and today we're going to do a hotel tour so you can see what it's all about should you ever come and stay. Imagine waking up in one of Europe's most vibrant cities. That's exactly what you'll experience at the ME Barcelona. Situated a few steps away from the Plaça de Catalunya, this luxurious retreat places you at the center of it all. Whether you're here to explore, relax, or indulge, you're never more than a short stroll from the pulse of Barcelona. As you step into the hotel, you're greeted by a sleek modern space that radiates sophistication. The reception team is available around the clock, ready to assist in multiple languages. There is also a relaxing sitting area just around the corner for you to sit between city explorations. Kick off your day with breakfast that's as delightful as it is diverse. Choose from a buffet spread or a lighter continental option, all served in a bright, inviting setting. Whether you're fueling up for a day of discovery or savoring a leisurely morning, the breakfast experience here is designed to start your day on the right note. When it comes to dining, ME Barcelona is a culinary destination in its own right. The Belbo collection brings you Mediterranean and North African flavors. For a taste of Italy, Fausto offers on an upscale dining experience. While Luma Bar is the perfect spot to unwind with a handcrafted cocktail. And with sprawling outdoor terraces, you can also eat outside. Head up to the 8th floor and you'll find a rooftop paradise. The pool offers a refreshing retreat with stunning views of Plaça de Catalunya and the city skyline. Whether you're lounging with a drink in hand or taking a dip as the sun sets, this space is an epitome of urban relaxation. For ultimate rejuvenation, the newer spa is a haven of tranquility. This organic vegan spa offers treatments that nourish both body and soul. Stay on top of your fitness goods with the hotel's state-of-the-art gym. After a day of adventure, we retreat to one of the hotel's 164 thoughtful design rooms. Each space blends modern elegance with comfort, featuring neutral tones, sleek lines, and large windows that flood the room with natural light. Step outside the hotel, and your easel is surrounded by the city's most iconic sights. Wander through the charming streets of the Gothic Quarter, or marvel at Gaudí's architectural masterpieces like Casa Batlló or La Pedrera. For a longer adventure, the breathtaking Sagrada Familia is just a 30-minute walk away. And with Plaça de Catalunya right around the corner, you're connected to every corner of the city, whether by bus, train, or metro. As the only LEED certificate 5-star hotel in the city, ME Barcelona is committed to sustainability through energy-efficient systems and solar power. The hotel also champions inclusivity, offering accessible facilities and welcoming all guests with open arms. Ready to make unforgettable memories? Your adventure starts here. What about you? Have you ever come to Barcelona or stayed in this hotel? Please comment below, hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can see this and many other adventures from all around the world.